Welcome back, guys. Today from Lake Oswego. Look at this big beautiful house with a big driveway. Check out the landscaping, the neighborhood, really quiet and private. This is a new construction home, obviously built by Renaissance Home. They build a lot of houses in Lake Oswego as well, and they are doing an amazing job. So this house is 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 5,000 square feet, just below $4 million. It has a den, a juice bar, a big bonus room, and guys, this house is just amazing. 3-car garage, a lot of place to park in the driveway. When you have a lot of people party here, that will be amazing for hosting. Before we check it out, guys, thank you again for jumping and watching my video. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below what is your favorite aspect in this house and where you want me to do the next videos for you. So let's go and check it out. As we go in, there is an amazing smell to the house. On the right side is the office. Look at the ceiling and the accents that they did to the ceiling with the light fixtures. Everything is just beautiful. You're facing your parking space, the driveway, so you can see if someone's coming up. Overall, big size of office. You also have a closet in the corner. You can convert it into a bedroom, but I would keep it as an office. Before we head to that area, let's just go take a look here. You have a full, oh no, this one is a half bath, but there is a full bathroom here as well. So this is the main area of the house, the heart of the house, obviously. Look at the beams over the dining area. Obviously, so much light, so much windows all over, tons of natural light, open spaces. Guys, this house, I must say, I think is the nicest one that I saw of Renaissance up until now for this price point. For sure, they have more expensive houses and more luxury houses, but for this price range, this has to be one of the most beautiful houses I saw of them. Take a look on that. The chandelier is just beautiful. And again, big open space over here to entertain and host people. Viewing of the backyard. You have garden beds over here. We're gonna go see the backyard as well. Big dining table, easily can fit 10 people over here, 8 people. That's nice. And the kitchen is crazy. Lots of cabinets, lots of counter space. 2 sinks you have in here as well for more comfort and easy working. Nice vent, double oven, hidden fridge, a wine fridge. Obviously, here you have your pantry. Lots of cabinets and storage place as well. You also have a countertop and lots of drawers. This house is amazing. Now let's take a look at the juice bar and the bar, kind of with the wine cellar as well. As you can see, another sink, nice countertop area. This opens to the outside for easy access. If you want to come grab a drink, make some drinks, or maybe you're gonna hire a bartender to serve you in your party, you have a great place for him. There's a wine cellar over here. And here You have another fridge to put your juices, your drinks. Just really nice, easy access for this house for when you're entertaining outside. Guys, again, if you're watching up until now, thank you again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. If you already fall in love with this house and you want to book a private tour, you can reach out to me. My contact will be in the description below, and we can schedule a private tour in this beautiful home. So here you have a laundry room downstairs, and there is also one upstairs. So that's really cool here. Here is the garage. Big 3-car garage. Very nice. You have room for storage as well. That's really cool. Now we're gonna take a look into the primary in the main bedroom. So if you have people that want to stay over, or it's a little bit house for them to go upstairs, they have here a full bedroom with a walk-in closet, full bathroom. And look at that. This is a beauty. Very nice build by Renaissance Homes. Let's go check the upstairs now. The upstairs is really cool as well. Again, hardwood floors throughout the house, except in the bedrooms you have a carpet. You have to see this, how it's open and laid out, lot of light, natural light. Let's go to the bonus area. So on the bonus here, you also have a small kitchen, sink, a fridge that needs to be installed, but a big bonus area. This is on top of the garage. On the left side of it, you have the second washer and dryer room for easy access for the second floor. Obviously lots of cabinets throughout the house. Let's see the main primary bedroom. Linen closet on the left. As you walk inside, you can see the big framing. Everything is wide and open, higher ceilings. So this is the cool thing. On the right side, you have a closet. Okay? Big, nice walk-in closet, lots of shelves, lots of cabinet, place to put your shoes. But in the left side, you have the princess closet. It's a little bit nicer and more upgraded. Obviously, as we can imagine and think. And the cool thing about this closet is connected to the bathroom as well. Now the linen closet here. You have the restroom here. And the full bathroom. Nice tiles on the floor. Freestanding bath. You have a view to your backyard. You can watch your kids, make sure they're okay while you're taking a bath. Walk-in shower, 2 heads of water, 3 actually with the hose. That's amazing. And this is your primary. Obviously, you have lots of windows throughout, and this one is also having a view to the backyard. Yeah, and 2 more bedrooms over here. This one is also a full bedroom, walk-in closet, full bedroom with a full bathroom. Full bathroom over here. It's the bedroom. Big window, tons of natural light coming in, facing the front of the house. And on the other side, 2 more bedrooms. They have a shared bathroom. Also, walk in. Just gonna turn off the lights in the meantime. Full bathroom over here, which the 2 rooms next to it going to share. Pretty nice. They have their privacy. And the last bedroom also has a walk-in closet. Now let's go to the downstairs so we can see the backyard. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching up until now. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video, maybe even share it with someone that will like it, or maybe if you know someone that would be interested in this house, or even if you're interested and you want to book a private tour, let me know. Again, my info gonna be in the description below. You have heaters for the cold days, you have a fan, fireplace, you can sit here and entertain even if it's a little bit chilly, a little bit hot. You have all of that covered patio, which is connecting over there to the juice bar area and to the bar area. Lots of grass, lots of greenery, place to do some landscaping, and you have your own privacy. This is amazing house, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.